Hello and welcome on the practical hands-on training on JavaScript. Here in this particular training program, this is going to be a completely hands-on training program. So you will be requiring, certain things that you will be doing with me. You will be coding along with me. So let me go through the agenda part first. Then slowly we will be moving ahead and we will be learning what kind of training we are going to do. Okay. So in the agenda, we'll be talking about the overview part where I'll be talking about the program and the trainer overview. Then we'll be moving ahead and we'll learn that once you will complete this particular training, so where you can see yourself. After this, we'll be talking about the programming concepts that you will be utilizing in the real time use cases, and you will understand that how the basic concepts can be utilized in the app development. Then next is we'll be talking about the backend code. So you will understand that we are going to create an application, okay? And in the application, there is some logical part that we need to create. So how that logical part of the application will be created, that we will be talking about here. Then in the next sessions, we'll be talking about the view preparation, and you will understand that if your logical part is ready, how you will be connecting it with the UI part. Okay, so you will be having a UI part over there in your application. Then when I'm talking about the releasing console, this whole application first will be tested on the browser console first. And once our browser console will you will be comfortable on that particular thing, then we will be creating the view, and that particular view will be utilizing those things. So there we are going to release this console, and we will be directly connecting with the UI and the backend code. Okay, and finally we are talking about this closing the issue tracker app. So this is what the application that we are supposed to plan and we are going to learn. This training program that I'm talking about, that is JavaScript. Okay, this is completely going to be a practical training program. So in this particular training, you are going to learn everything practically. I will be talking about concepts very less, but I will be telling you what particular concept you will be requiring in the real application development. So let's move on to the overview and the program part. So this is what the JavaScript. It is a practical hands-on training. This program is designed for basic to intermediate level of learners. When I'm saying basic to intermediate level of learners, I'm expecting that you will be having a basic understanding of the programming language, a basic understanding on the JavaScript. So from the basic level to intermediate level, you people will be going through. The trainer of this particular program is having a sound experience IT experience, and he is having more than 14 plus years of training experience. So guys, you are into the safe hand. Trainer is going to talk about everything practically. This is what you will be learning after the training program, or I should say that this is what you will be see yourself once you complete this training program. So when I'm saying novice to ninja, I'm very clear that from the basic to intermediate level you people will be going through. When I'm talking about the practical explanation, it means that our training program is less theory and more practical. So you will be getting the practical exposure everywhere. Hands-on exercises, I will be talking about this particular application in the form of user stories that you people might be using in your real application development. So I'll be telling you small user stories. Those user stories we will be implementing throughout the training program itself. Project work, definitely we are going to start with a project itself. So you will be coding along with me and you will be learning what exactly the project is. So let me just give you a small demo of the project that we are going to create. And finally, the whatever demo I'm giving you right now, it could be a different, right? But finally, when we'll be creating the program, the look and feel may be different. Okay. So, but it is going to be the same kind of functionality that I'm going to show you here. So as you can see here, I will be adding the number of issues into this. So let's say issue 1, I add issue 2, okay, I add issue 3. So as you can see here, what is happening basically, initially I don't have issue list available over here, right? But the moment when I keep on adding, there is certain kind of logical things which would have been written into the backend, and that particular logical code I am utilizing for this document object model or the DOM manipulation, right? So here, as you can see, I have different options. Like if I have added three different issues over here, and if I say that all the issues are completed, I can say all issues are completed, right? So this is the completion status that I have designed. Now I can say all issues are not completed. If you want to delete any specific issue, you can delete the specific issue as well, right? Similarly, if you want to change the issue, you will be providing the position and the value that you want to change, and finally it will be changed. Okay. If you want to toggle out a specific issue, you can give the position and you can say toggle. So here it is working basically for toggle all, and here it will be working for a specific toggle operation. So I will be performing all these things in front of you. We'll be coding along with everything, and we will be doing it, bit by bit. So I'm sure you will be learning lot many things. So just enjoy this particular session, and definitely you people will be going to learn lot many things, my dear friends. So thank you very much for your time. Just stay tuned, and in the next session I'll be talking about the basic concepts that I'm going to utilize into the application, and slowly we will be creating the application as well. Thank you very much.